Welcome to August at Ozarks Technical Community College. OTC was a busy place over the long, hot summer, all aimed at getting the Robert W. Plaster Center for Advanced Manufacturing ready for the start of fall classes. On August 4th, we let the public in early for the first time ever for the Springfield Area Chamber of Commerce's Good Morning Springfield. The breakfast event featured a State of the Schools address by Springfield Public Schools Superintendent Greenia Lathan. While the focus of the monthly meeting was not on the PMC, our big new building was the star of the show.
Dr. Higdon, thank you for allowing us to utilize your new manufacturing center this morning. More importantly, thank you for what this facility will offer to our students, area employers, and our local economy.
The grand opening for the 120,000 square foot, $40 million building is August 15th. Classes begin 1 week later. The PMC took center stage one afternoon in June at the Alamo Drafthouse. The Plaster Manufacturing Center's executive director, Robert Randolph, was featured as one of the Springfield Business Journal's 12 People You Need to Know. In a wide-ranging interview, Robert talked about the programs we'll have in the PMC, the impressive technical aspects of the building, and he described how the college will collaborate with industry partners. Plus, he explained how the facility is designed to entice children to consider a career in manufacturing.
We're planning for this to be a field trip destination. We want to bring kids in starting 4th and 5th grade, showcase what training at OTC looks like, what does a career in manufacturing look like, and how can they see themselves in that career. So when they're 16, 17, 18 years old making college and career decisions, that at least hopefully they haven't ruled manufacturing out.
Missouri Governor Mike Parson came to OTC in July to talk about his public safety initiatives. He praised the cooperation between the city of Springfield, Greene County, and the state, and he applauded the college's efforts in the Center for Public Safety to produce more first responders. The following week, the governor was at Missouri State University to sign the new fast-track workforce incentive grant legislation. The financial aid tool has been around for a while, but the new legislation makes it an actual grant and not a forgivable loan. Plus, it's open to people who just want some short-term training. They do not have to be degree seeking. Fast Track is underutilized, and the hope is that these fixes will greatly increase its usage. Fast Track is designed to get more non-traditional age students to go to college. There are just fewer 18-year-olds in Missouri, but we're looking to get more of them through the doors. One way we're trying to attract more traditional high school age students is through the homeschool community. In June, the college hosted a homeschool open house where students and their families learned more about the college's program offerings, financial aid, and how they could start taking college classes while still in high school. Nearly 80 students came to the event. Since moving to Richwood Valley, the agriculture program has exploded in popularity. And with our new facility, we're able to host more events, including ag education on the move every Tuesday night during the summer. The program is designed to expose mostly elementary age students to the role agriculture plays in their lives.
We teach them about the importance of where our food comes from, that it doesn't just magically appear in the grocery store shelves like we would love it to. And we kind of let them understand that, this is a way of life, that there is natural recycling habits that come from farmers and the importance of farmers and why we have them.
It was a sunshine day when Barry Williams stopped by the college's simulation lab at the Table Rock campus. You know him better as the actor who played Greg Brady on the Brady Bunch. Williams' wife is an actress we sometimes use in medical training scenarios. That's going to do it for this month's Around the College. Now, typically I might leave you with some photos from an event that happened, but this month I'm going to leave you with something a little different. Earlier in the summer, we interviewed an OTC student named Soraya Reed about her experience with student success. Soraya faced some personal struggles. Someone noticed and asked the OTC care team to check on her. Her response is a good reminder about why we do what we do. You make a difference. Be inspired, and until next month, I'll see you around the college.
What really struck me and pulled me out of the water one day was I received I think it was a random phone call in the middle of class, but it said OTC. And so I was like, okay, this seems very important. I'm gonna step out, take this call. And it was actually a counselor reaching out to me. For me, that was like, oh wow, somebody actually cares. Especially when you feel alone. It's very heartwarming. And it was good to know not only does this one person care, but my teacher cares, my classmates care. And it was very, very warming.